how much should you actually spend on an electric scooter? It's a tricky question because many people are happy with the budget options, while others keep returning the pricey ones. There's definitely a bit of confusion out there. Product number 1, VOLPAM electric scooter. The VOLPAM electric scooter caught my eye right away, especially with its appealing price of just $99.99. It's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a scooter that's perfect for kids or young riders looking to explore, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 250W motor offers 3 adjustable speed settings, 4, 6, and 10 mph. This is fantastic because it allows your child to start slow and build up confidence without the fear of going too fast too soon. Plus, the battery can get them up to 10 miles on a single charge, making it great for school commutes or neighborhood adventures. The LED display gives them a clear view of speed and battery life, keeping them informed while they ride. Safety is also a priority with features like dual braking and textured rubber handles, ensuring they stay in control. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, it's packaged to be 95% assembled, so most of it's ready to go and just requires a bit of setup time. For those who need a straightforward option for younger riders, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and safe scooter for kids. Skip this one if you need a high-speed ride for adults. It definitely gives you great value for your money. Product number 2, Avauhil electric scooter for adults. Next up is the Avauhil electric scooter, priced at $99.98 and designed for teens and adults. What really stands out is its unique design and solid performance. If you want something that looks cool and gets you where you need to go, this one's impressive. That's quite useful for daily commutes or weekend rides. The dual braking system enhances safety, giving you reliable stopping power, especially at higher speeds. And those 8.5-inch solid tires really help absorb shock, making it a comfortable ride whether you're on smooth pavement or bumpy sidewalks. Some users mention that the app connection can be a bit finicky. But here's the thing, once it's connected, you can customize your ride experience and monitor stats like speed and battery life in real time. For most, that added functionality is well worth the minor setup hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that performs well for urban rides. Skip this if you're looking for something for younger kids. Overall, it's a solid investment for its price. Product number 3, HopCycle electric scooter. The HopCycle electric scooter comes in at $164.99, and right off the bat, it offers some impressive specs. If you're after power and versatility, this scooter deserves your attention. Equipped with a 500W motor, it can reach speeds up to 18 mph, making it great for commuting. Plus, it boasts a range of 21 miles per charge, giving you plenty of juice for a day out. The pneumatic tires provide excellent grip and shock absorption, allowing this scooter to tackle some inclines without breaking a sweat. With an IP65 waterproof rating, you can ride in light rain without worry. The app control adds a modern touch, letting you lock the scooter and check your stats right from your phone. However, some users reported that the assembly instructions could be clearer. But honestly, most people find it manageable, and the reward of having a reliable electric scooter is worth it. If you're someone who needs a reliable daily ride, this won't disappoint. This is perfect for commuters or anyone looking for a reliable, powerful scooter. Skip this if you're only using it for occasional rides at lower speeds. For the price, it's an excellent choice. Product number 4, Avauhil Adult Electric Scooter. Another strong contender is the Avauhil Adult Electric Scooter, priced at $149.98. Its performance is quite commendable, making it a favorite among users. If you want something powerful yet accessible, this one's for you. It has a dual braking system, which adds an extra layer of safety, and the solid tires ensure a smooth ride. The app control is a nice touch, allowing you to monitor your ride statistics easily. It folds quickly, making it practical for transport. Some complaints came about the weight being a little on the heavier side at 36 pounds. But honestly, if you're using it primarily for commuting, that added sturdiness can actually be a plus. It feels solid and built to last. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and powerful option for daily commutes or longer rides. Skip this if you need something ultralight for frequent carrying. It's definitely a great value considering its capabilities. Product number 5, Valhill Green Gray Electric Scooter. Finally, we have the Valhill Green Gray Electric Scooter available for $139.99. I love its sleek design and performance. If you want a balance of style and functionality, this could be your match. Featuring a 350W motor, it can reach speeds up to 19 mph with a range of about 22 miles on a single charge. The dual braking system and solid tires provide a safe and smooth ride, which is essential for urban environments. With smart app control, you can adjust settings with ease. Plus, the quick folding feature makes it handy for storage or transport. Now, some users found the app to have a slight learning curve. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the customization options it offers. For those who want a stylish, tech-savvy scooter, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you desire a scooter that combines aesthetics with performance. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option, as it's slightly pricier compared to others. Still, it offers excellent features at a reasonable price. So there you have it. We've covered the VOLPAM Valhill Electric Scooter for adults, Hop Cycle Valhill Adult Electric Scooter, and the Valhill Green Gray model. Each offers its own unique features tailored to different needs. Overall, these scooters under $300 won't disappoint, whether you're looking for something for kids, teens, or adults. Happy scooting!